Are you looking to become a certified SOLIDWORKS user? Well, this is the right place. Welcome to CAD and Sorcery, fellow designers, and in this video, I'll share 7 powerful tips to help you prepare for any SOLIDWORKS certification. Think of these tips as your guide to studying smarter and more efficiently. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more SOLIDWORKS content. First things first, know what you're up against. Go to the official SOLIDWORKS website and check the syllabus for your specific exam. They clearly list the tools and features you'll be tested on. Study those topics thoroughly. And there's a small tip. If you don't know how a command works, just click the question mark icon inside SOLIDWORKS to open the help guide for the specific command. Reading isn't enough. SOLIDWORKS provides sample exams with downloadable parts and PDF guides. Once you're familiar with the tools, try solving the sample exam from start to finish. This is a good simulation of the real thing. But be careful to only use what you are given. In the exams, you'll be provided with specific dimensions, materials, and reference geometry. Usually, these are more than enough to fully define your models. Avoid overcomplicating things by doing calculations. No need to sum, subtract, or divide unless asked. Stick to the given data and trust it. Next, it's important to learn how to use global variables and equations. Global variables are a huge time saver, especially for parametric questions. Learn how to define and link them to your dimensions. And remember, always use the equal sign when linking, or else the changes won't apply. Now pay attention because these exams are timed, so speed matters. When practicing, track how long it takes to complete a model. If it's too slow, try alternative techniques to find faster, more efficient workflows. Some tips that I have to give you is to avoid unnecessary mouse travel or overly long workflows, reduce the number of features in your design tree, and finally, if you have the time, test different approaches and compare them. Shortcuts are your best friend during the exams. Master the following: keyboard shortcuts, mouse gestures, shortcut bars, and customized toolbars. You won't have time to search through menus, so muscle memory is key. I have also prepared a video regarding that matter. Now, if you want to go hardcore, as I did while I was preparing for the expert exam, press F10 to hide the command manager. This is what I call the arcane discipline training mode. Now you are left with just your workspace and your shortcuts. It forces you to rely on your skills, not your toolbar. Tough love, but highly effective. And that concludes my list of tips to help you conquer your SOLIDWORKS certification. And if you have your own tricks up your sleeve, share them with the rest of us in the comments below. And also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more SOLIDWORKS content.